Hello, everybody. Good evening to all of you. Hope that all are fine. I'm also doing well by the mercy of Allah. So, dear lovely friends, today I have come here at this moment and I would like to say something about this location. Okay, dear friends, you call me why have I come here? Yes, because I have come here actually video making purposes. Okay, so nowadays I can't any blogging video like another location. Just I am video making in our village behind side to one field like paddy field and harvesting completed. So that is the actually open field. So my maximum video making in our village behind side one big field. So that is why I have a different location. I have come here today. Okay, so dear friends, nowadays my English skills so very good, and some days I feel like in our English actually very nice. Okay, so because I am nowadays I am regularly maintain and practicing anytime. Okay, when I go to another location and another place, so and public place, I actually I try my best. Okay, so dear friends, now you can see there is a school. Actually, this school so very amazing. Actually, very good. So, dear friends, actually this school field and almost I think this field actually 10 bigger area this school all around site. Okay, so dear friends, and there is a lots of trees and there is actually I don't know this tree name. Lots of trees. Okay, so you can see another site. There is a I don't know this name actually. Students are playing this actually hanging. So I don't know. So dear friends, there is a one house and students, all students your cycle and bike and take here. Okay, so dear friends, this school I think established 1967. In this school established, and this school name actually lower primary school, and another side this school actually upper primary school. This all actually three schools are there, and all amalgamation this school. Okay, and my another side one building now working this building. Okay, so and overall this place very amazing and very nice in our local area. Okay, so thank you.